The trouble code B1476 in a Mitsubishi vehicle refers to the problems with the SRS control module. Mainly the code is about the power supply issues to that module. The SRS unit controls the airbags in your car, so it's considered a serious safety issue, and depending on the model year of your Mitsubishi, you may even see a limited speed or other limitations when this code is active. There are three most common culprits of this problem, and two of them you may try and check on your own. First of all, the problem may be with the failing 12-volt battery. If it drops voltage heavily when you are cranking the engine, this leads to voltage anomalies in the entire electrical system, including the SRS unit, and this is when the code may be registered. So charging the battery, checking it with a load tester, or even replacing it with a new one if it's quite old is a good first step in troubleshooting the B1476 code. After that, the second quite easy thing to check is the fuses connected with the SRS and airbag systems. These fuses are usually located in the interior fuse box, and there may be just one or several of them depending on the model of your Mitsubishi. For example, in the 2020 Outlander, it's the fuse number 16 in the interior box. You may just replace it with the new one and see if this helps. But if those simple ways to solve the problem don't work, the issue is very likely with the SRS unit itself or with the connectors and wiring in the system. In this case, it would be nice to have the vehicle inspected by a professional mechanic, since there is nothing much you can do but locate the module and track down some of the wires. Anyway, replacing the SRS module is not a DIY task.